Acer has expanded its all-in-one desktop offering in the United States with the new award-winning 23.8-inch Aspire S24, its slimmest ever, featuring a side profile of only 0.235 inches. Built with a dual focus on design and premium functionality, it makes a stylish, yet practical addition to any room. A black and matte gold color scheme lends the ultra-slim S24 a luxurious appeal. The Full HD IPS screen delivers a vivid and crisp viewing experience with accurate colors up to 178 degrees. An ultra-narrow 0.106-inch bezel provides a 90% screen-to-body ratio, meaning more viewable space for seeing digital images, spreadsheets, movies, and more. We think customers in the United States will be delighted with the elegant aesthetics and convenient feature set of our newest all-in-one desktop, said Frank Chong, Acer America Senior Director Stationary Products. The ultra-slim form factor and wireless charging free up desk space, while ample power delivers smooth performance. Offering an 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor and 2GB dual-channel DDR4 2400 MHz memory, the Aspire S24 tackles immersive entertainment and daily tasks with ease, even while multitasking. Two 2W 2.1-channel speakers with a subwoofer design enhanced with Acer True Harmony and Dolby Audio Premium infuse entertainment with deep bass as well as excellent clarity and volume. The system is also the perfect device for editing and storing photos and videos with 1 TB of storage space. Convenient wireless charging base. The system's base supports wireless charging for Qi-enabled devices, allowing customers to power their mobile device by simply laying it on the charging area without chasing plugs or dealing with messy cables. Designed to be adjusted with minimum effort using just one hand, it provides superb ergonomics and maximizes productivity and viewing comfort with a -5 to 25 degree tiltable display. Integrated Acer Exacolor increases color saturation and contrast for more vivid, vibrant images, while blue light shield and flickerless technologies reduce blue light and screen flicker for more comfortable viewing. Intel Dual Band Wireless AC, 802.11 AC 2x2 MIMO, technology provides fast and reliable wireless network connections. The system is also outfitted with Bluetooth 4.2, 802.11 AC and Gigabit LAN and comes with a wireless keyboard and mouse. Other connectivity options include a USB 3.1 GEN1 Type-C port, 3 USB 3.1 GEN1 Type-A ports and a USB 2.0 port for connecting to peripherals and digital devices. HDMI supports a second display and a SD card reader is compatible with a wide variety of memory cards available today.